Hey guys, this is gonna be the coolest video ever. It's gonna be amazing. Maybe even radical, man. So radical, your head's gonna pop off. You know why? Because this video is for Phil. It's the sounds me and Phil just always love to make. They're the coolest ever, man. We do them all the time. Okay, well, first up on my list would probably be, I don't know which one to do. Okay, I'm gonna do the one me and Phil do most often. It's the sexy laugh. Love you, Phil. Now that you're all jealous because I said I love you, Phil, I'll move on to the next one. The next one's gonna be the mustaches. El mustacho. El mustacho. El mustacho. El mustacho. El mustacho derecha. Golpe. Pequeño. Y grande. Albino. Next, it's gonna be the Italians. That's the one, a spicy meatball. Would you like a pepperoni pizza? Well, I think that's it. Oh wait, no. That was so totally wicked. Yeah, that's one. I know I'm missing other ones, but not sure what they are. So me and Phil make a video together. Well, see you guys. Hey, I hope you like my video. I know you did.